Show off your skills at home during the festival campaign ignites a Chinese cuisine craze. Pearl River Bridge's Show Off Your Skills at Home during the festival campaign has ignited a global craze for Chinese cuisine in anticipation of the 2025 Lunar New Year. Centered around the brand's innovative one sauce, many dishes product line, the campaign aims to simplify festive cooking, allowing people to prepare a table full of delicious dishes in just 1 hour using convenient sauce packets. This initiative has resonated with Chinese communities worldwide, inspiring both experienced cooks and novices to embrace the joy of home cooking during the festive season. With a heritage spanning over 60 years, Pearl River Bridge is a well-established name in Chinese condiments, known for its quality and international reach. Its products are exported to more than 100 countries and regions, boasting certifications such as the US FDA Food Grade Certification, British Retail Consortium Standard Certification, and EU Organic Certification. The brand's global influence is reflected in the popular saying, "Where there's chimney smoke, there are Chinese, and where there are Chinese, there's Pearl River Bridge soy sauce." The campaign effectively taps into this recognition, making it easy for Chinese families abroad to recreate authentic flavors at home. Beyond promoting its product line, the campaign captures the essence of the Spring Festival, family reunion, and cultural heritage. Encouraging young people to cook for their families, it offers a modern and accessible way to celebrate traditions. Social media platforms have been flooded with enthusiastic participants showcasing their homemade Cantonese dishes, with many first-time cooks gaining confidence in the kitchen. Media outlets such as China Daily, Beijing Daily, and Global Times have widely covered the campaign, further amplifying its reach and fostering excitement for the upcoming holiday. Pearl River Bridge's campaign is more than just a marketing effort, it's an invitation to celebrate culture, tradition, and togetherness through food. By blending convenience with authenticity, it provides a meaningful way for people to honor their heritage while enjoying the pleasures of cooking.